Good day, the both of you. Our e-commerce company has just experienced a major security breach. To understand our compliance responsibilities, we formed three teams: GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. Each team will examine why the regulation applies, identify 1K requirements, and highlight the consequences of failing to comply. You will now begin your internal team huddle. Thank you for coming on short notice. Our system we breached last night. Customer details, credit card information, and employee health records may we have been as access. We need clarity on our regulatory obligations.
We've contained the instruction but need guidance on how to properly report and respond.
Our company ships goods worldwide, including to the European Union, because we collect, store, and process personal data of EU customers, like names, addresses, and purchasing information. We fall under the GDPR.
One major requirement is the 72-hour branch notification rule. Under GDPR. The company must notify the approved EU supervisory authority within 72 hours after becoming aware of a breach involving personal data.
If we fail to comply, we risk heavy penalties up to 20 million or 4% of global annual revenue. Whichever is higher, we may also face lawsuits from affected individuals in severe reputational damage.
We process credit card payments from customer using Visa, MasterCard, and other major payments brands because we handle cardholder data. The company is required to comply with PCI DSS.
One critical requirement is to maintain a security network and protect cardholder data, particularly by implementing strong encryption and access controls.
Non-compliance can result in severe penalties, including loss of ability to process credit cards, hefty fines from banks, increased transaction fees, and liability for fraudulent charges.
This is overwhelming. We have obligations across three major regulations. Each of them has strict reporting timelines and consequences.
One, one critical requirement is to maintain a surely network and protect holder data, particularly by implementing strong encryption and access controls.
Non-compliance can result in severe penalties, including loss of ability to process credit cards, hefty fine from banks, increased transaction fees, and liability for fraudulent charge.
Thank you, team. Soldier final thoughts. We will now move to the presentation and discussion segment.